Same as Karal.
I thought we were gonna have training before. So on set lang, parang I asked her to read my lines first. Pag may lines ako, pero wala siyang scene in that same part. I just started to read, tapos I'll copy her.
I mean, ako for I believe comedy,
Alam mo, wala, yeah, same.
it's not something na you get to be bored with it. Okay, so when we do our scenes, that's her forte. So you just go with the flow. Don't even try. It won't work. So you let her handle that part.
As parang
Tapos
nag-react
singit
lang
na
kayo
yeah,
sa ina.
just react to what she does, and the scene will come out funny. So pag pinilit mo na yung try. Hindi. Kasi
Lahat pala sila nag-a-adjust sa akin.
paano dito?
Nakakahiya.
Pagdating dito, comedy na.
Siyempre kagalang-galang ka at 45.
yung
Kati-kati.
kati-kati.
Kati-kati mo kasi.
Pimple na pinukuha ng pimple.
Hindi. Singaw. Anong English? Ano English?
Yeah, no.
Oo nga. Anyways.
Anyways.
Here to talk about